Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to download Google Drive files using Internet Download Manager. The first step is to download Internet Download Manager, also called IDM, from its official website. Just make sure you run the installer and complete it until the program is ready on your computer. After IDM is installed, the next step is to add the IDM extension to your browser. Once you add it, check that it is enabled in your browser. This small extension is the key that allows IDM to catch download links directly from websites, including Google Drive. Now everything is ready. Open your Google Drive in the browser. Select the file that you want to download. Click the download button like you normally would. Normally, the browser itself starts downloading the file. But with IDM installed and the extension enabled, IDM will automatically take control. A small window from IDM will appear, and the download will start through IDM instead of the browser. That is the entire process. Install IDM, add the extension, and the rest happens automatically. Thanks for watching.